We got the router here, just put that away here. What have we got here? Power cord. This is a SATA connector if you want to have an external SSD. The power, so that's it. On the other side, you've got VGA out, you've got HDMI out, you've got USB. Let's crack open the case here. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Simple, should be quite simple. We got your RAM here. This is your 8 gigs of RAM. There's your ports there, and on the other side we'll have the CPU. If we take these off, this will just release this, and then we can take it out. So let's do it. Let's just take the whole thing apart. That's the actual router, not much to it, it's basically a PC running pfSense. So you got your WAN in and you got your LANs out, that will go to the server. This will then protect it by the firewall, and then we should be secure. So that's it, just a quick unboxing.